I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting what Google needs to verify you. This speeds everything up. Enter the Gmail address or click Forgot Email and provide a recovery phone or email when prompted. Once done, follow the prompts to receive a verification code. Make sure to check SMS, voice, and recovery inboxes. If you don't know the exact address, use the Forgot Email flow with your recovery contact and any name associated with the account. Now focus on identity details Google asks for. This is the crucial verification stage. Enter any previous passwords you recall and specify when you created the account. Even a month and year helps. Use devices and IP locations you previously used for better chances. When prompted, type the verification codes exactly and describe recent Gmail activity like labels or contacts. These contextual answers are why Google, once identity checks pass, set a new strong password and immediately enable two-step verification to prevent future lockouts. Review account recovery options and recent security events, removing unfamiliar devices. Make sure to update backup email and phone numbers so recovery is easier next time. If verification fails, don't panic. Wait a day or two, retry from a device you used before, and repeat the detailed answers. This troubleshooting step often resolves denials because Google recognizes familiar signals over repeated, accurate attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.